Hi everyone, today I am going to introduce you to a new app that I found. I'm actually going to use this app this year in my classroom. I've been asked to have a STEM Lab Connections class, and so I will actually be seeing, rather than one class a day, I will be seeing several different classes and several different grade levels. So I think this app will really help me stay organized. It is called Teacher's Assistant. The website is teachersassistantpro.com. This is actually a free app. However, there are upgrades that you can choose for different features. So the website is actually the same for both, and you can decide. So let's talk a little bit about its features and how it can help you in the classroom. I'm going to click right here and show you. So there's a little video that you could watch to see the different features, but let's just talk about these from the list. So first off, you can see their information right here. You can put all of their data such as birthdays, IEP info, even allergies, things that you want to know about your students. With having so many students, I think this will help me to remember information about kids that I might not remember otherwise. You can also organize by class right here. So I could have each class and grade level that I'm seeing that day, and know, where each student belongs. You can add actions to students. So for behavior, good or bad, you can put your actions in, and you can actually assign them to an individual student or a whole classroom or group of students, so that you can keep track of their behavior. Also, you can share those behaviors with parents, administrators. You also have the parent information in the app so that you can send them emails or messages, or call them if you need to speak with them. And another feature that I think is really cool is that you can assign groups. So when I'm working with the STEM Lab, I can go ahead and have them assigned in groups and know where everyone's supposed to be working. And then you can also, like some other apps, you can have it to randomly call on students when you're asking questions, so that you don't call on the same one too much, or leave someone out. And also you have live tech support that you can call. So all of these are some really cool things that you can do. I have downloaded the app on my phone, and there are purchase options. So you can unlock all of the features for $5.99. And those features include being able to import information, having unlimited actions. So if you were going to put a lot of different behaviors, if you're going to use a lot of the different ones you would want to get the Pro, you can customize the action fields, and that would unlock the ability to add customized action fields and hide fields and rearrange them. And you can customize terminology. I mean, the list goes on and on. So this is a really cool app that I think that would be very useful in the classroom. And that's important. Even though this is a classroom management app, it is important for learning, because the little things that that take up your time in having to manage your classroom affect how much time you have to spend teaching. So anyway, I think that this is going to be a great app to try, and I hope you all will try it out.